Creating natural fungicides is an effective and eco-friendly way to protect plants from diseases like powdery mildew and blight, ensuring healthier crops without relying on harsh chemicals. Here's an expanded version of the recipe and its application, including additional insights into the benefits of natural fungicides. Did you know you can protect your plants from harmful fungi using ingredients already in your kitchen? Today, we'll dive into two powerful natural fungicides to keep your garden healthy and thriving. Protecting your plants from pests and diseases is a cornerstone of successful gardening. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew can devastate crops such as cucumbers and tomatoes. By using natural solutions, you not only shield your plants but also contribute to a sustainable and chemical-free gardening practice. Fungi pose a serious threat to crops, leading to reduced yields and sometimes complete loss. Traditional chemical fungicides can leave harmful residues, impacting the environment and human health. Organic alternatives, however, provide effective, environmentally friendly protection. Natural fungicides like garlic, milk, and baking soda are readily available, cost-effective, and safe for your plants. Each ingredient has unique properties. Number 1. Garlic contains allicin, which has antimicrobial properties that combat fungal infections. Number 2. Milk includes proteins and beneficial bacteria that suppress fungal growth while enhancing plant immunity. Number 3. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment on leaves, hindering fungi that thrive in acidic conditions. By combining these, you amplify their individual effects for comprehensive fungal protection. Here's how to prepare these fungicides. Number 1. First fungicide, garlic-based. Mix 1 tablespoon of garlic powder in 300 milliliters of warm water. For fresh garlic, crush cloves and steep them overnight for better potency. Strain the liquid before use. Number 2. Enhanced fungicide, multi-ingredient. To the garlic solution, add 100 milliliters of milk and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir thoroughly and dilute with 2 liters of water. Number 3. Apply the mixture every few days or after rainfall, focusing on the underside of leaves where fungal spores often reside. Regular application is key to maintaining plant health. These natural fungicides are easy to make, safe to use, and highly effective in preventing and controlling fungal diseases. They not only protect your plants but also enrich their environment with natural nutrients, supporting overall growth. Try these natural fungicide recipes today and see the difference in your garden. Share this guide with fellow gardeners and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Together, let's grow a healthier, greener world. Natural fungicides are proven alternatives for gardeners committed to sustainability. Regular use ensures vibrant, disease-free plants, making your gardening journey more rewarding.